Hello, my name is Aditi Singh and I started studying from AK Mishra Sir when I was in my 11th grade. I'm currently studying neurobiology at the University of Pennsylvania, which is an Ivy League school located in Philadelphia in the US. So, when I started studying from AK Mishra, I remember being very scared because I had just gotten into 11th grade and I had taken up physics, chemistry, math, and bio. And AK Mishra sir said, "Don't worry, we'll be fine." And honestly, I'm so glad that I trusted him to guide me through all of these years because he is extremely methodical. He will go with every concept, he will explain everything with paragraphs. It's super fast. I covered my whole 11 syllabus in the matter of 3 months, and then we kept revising throughout the year, so I knew what I was going ahead with every single time. And I remember having to do questions over questions because AK Mishra sir would make me do the toughest and the easiest questions. We were done with the NCRT, and it just didn't seem like a chore. He just made sure that it was done slowly, slowly over a large period of time. And I am so thankful because my general chemistry, even today in college, or my organic chemistry in college, which is considered one of the hardest classes, just goes way easier because AK Mishra sir was there for me. Even in my board exam, like when I was studying for chemistry, it was the one subject that I felt confident about, the one subject that I wasn't so stressed about compared to the others. Because of course we're stressed for our board exams, but AK Mishra sir made sure that I knew what I was doing. I knew that I had chemistry with me and I knew that I understood all my concepts because I have trouble just looking at things and not actually understanding them. With the whole ratta thing, I have trouble with that. So AK Mishra sir made sure that I wasn't just memorizing. I mean, even with organic chemistry reactions, I was almost clear on most of the mechanisms that I could do, even though they were not in the textbook, nowhere to be found. I would just ask sir. I would be like, "Sir, what's the mechanism? I don't understand why this reaction is taking place," and he would explain it to me anyway. And so I'm just so thankful to have had a teacher who goes the extra mile with me. And I know he would do that with any of his students. And he is such a hard worker and such a nice teacher. I think that he really boosted my confidence, and I am very glad to have been taught by him.